Today we read essay on the ants. Ants are the most interesting insect. They live together in the large groups called colonies. Some ants live in the tunnels in the ground, others build anthills. The ants colony has three kind of ants: the queen, the worker, and males. The queen is the large female ant. Her work is to lay eggs. The workers are female ants. Their work is to gather food and build the nest. They also look after the queen and guard the ants. They have no wings. The male ants help the queen. Some kind of ants are used to us. They eat harmful insects. There are pests which spoil our crops and eat the food in our homes. Many ants are very dangerous. They build and